Lions in Tanzania, Ngorongoro Crater. I'm here in Arusha, Tanzania, and today we're going to go and see a big hole in the ground with wild animals inside. What's that all about? Let's go and find out. So let's find out what this thing is, how big it is, and more importantly, what's inside. Apparently there's lions in there.
From the town of Arusha, North Tanzania, you need to head 180 kilometers west to the Ngorongoro Crater, which is the world's largest inactive, intact volcanic cauldron, also known as the Garden of Eden due to the lush landscaping and animals inside. This World Heritage Site is one of the main attractions of Tanzania.
3.5 hours. My God, up close this time. Not even inside the park yet, and there's an elephant outside. So just going to the main gate now. The guy's just gone to get the permit and all that stuff while we wait. Luckily you've got a guide that does all that for you. Don't have to get the tickets and everything, so it should only take half an hour, I think. So that's how you say it, Ngorongoro. I think there's around 20 cars here, so there's quite a few people. So this is the 4x4 Land Cruiser we use. It's a pretty high-tech piece of equipment, I think. But
before it was.
so what, it erupted?
Yeah, it was.
And then just fell?
Yeah, then the mountain collapsed and formed the caldera.
And if you want to know the full itinerary of this trip I'm doing and the price, etc., I'll put everything in the description down below.
The crater was formed when a large volcano exploded and collapsed on itself 300 million years ago. The crater is 610 meters deep, 19 kilometers wide, and has a 260 square kilometer area inside.
Apparently there's about 25,000 animals inside that thing. Let's go and find out.
Animals inside the crater are attracted to the fertile soil and lush vegetation. Some say the animals got stuck inside and can't get out. Right, let's find out what's inside.
There's quite a lot of zebras around.
Zebras are quite abundant, around 4,000 of them inside the crater. It's always a mesmerizing and magical experience seeing a zebra, probably because they're quite social and even sleep in groups. This is because their friends can warn them if any of them are attacked by lions.
I promise you'll see a lion.
The African buffalo is the most common animal inside the crater. Their main predators are humans, but stand clear because they can be quite dangerous apparently. There are around 4,000 of these inside the crater.
So here's some buffaloes. Still haven't seen a lion yet. Can't wait to see a lion. I hope we see a lion.
This is the black rhinoceros, which are quite rare. There are only around 5,000 in the world according to the WWF.
There's only 36 black rhino here, which are quite rare.
Surprisingly, the name has got nothing to do with the colour. It could come from the black soil they sometimes cover themselves with. As you can see, this one looks pretty white.
No lions yet.
The majestic African elephant is actually quite rare, also in Ngorongoro Crater. There are only around 30 inside.
Now that was an elephant. Now look, still looking for the lion.
The blue wildebeest have a population of around 7,000 inside, can run 50 miles per hour.
Just hope to see some lions soon.
Flamingos are a beautiful sight and are very common at Ngorongoro Crater. During the wet season, when the lakes are high, it's possible to see hundreds and thousands of flamingos. The best time is from September to April. Birds are attracted to the alkaline freshwater lake inside the crater.
A lion.
Hippopotamus are herbivores and look quite cute from afar. But don't let this fool you, they can be quite aggressive. They don't roam around as much as the other animals, but consider yourself lucky if you see one. As you can see, it's a delightful sight. You won't find any giraffes inside the Ngorongoro Crater. It's thought they can't enter because the sides are too steep. The big five of Africa can all be found inside the crater. Rhinos, leopards, elephants, buffalo and
lion. There's only 2 hours left. We've got to see a lion. Stopped off for lunch now. Hopefully we'll get to see a lion. I'll be a bit disappointed if I haven't. And I won't be able to do this video if we don't see a lion.
Because, in case you're wondering, here's the toilet facilities. They also have a squat. They have a spray and toilet paper as well. Excellent.
I mean, it's been great seeing zebras and everything, but I just want to see a lion. A big fucking lion. Okay, wish me luck. So just had lunch and hopefully now we're off and we'll see a lion this time.
A lion! A lion!
Oh my god, it's a lion!
Closer! Come! Come closer, come!
Oh my god.
He's coming!
He's going to sleep.
There are currently around 75 lions on the crater floor. 36 of these are cubs, or less than 3 years old.
So there is a lion in here. There are lions in here.
Can someone get out? Oh my god. He's coming. Yeah, he's really coming. No, he's hiding. He's preparing to attack. Oh, he's sleeping. A lazy lion.
That's all they do, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm glad that you guys got to see a lion with me. If you ever come to Tanzania, make sure you come to Ngorongoro Crater. It's not often you see a big hole with animals in, is it? I'll see you in the next video.